Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the crack so you know how deep the repair must go. Once done, scrape away loose paint and vacuum the debris. Make sure to wipe the surface clean so fillers bond. You then sand the cracked edges with 120 grit until they feather into intact paint. This reduces visible ridges and improves adhesion. If nearby trim is at risk, tape it off now. These first steps set the foundation for a durable, invisible repair. Now you choose a filler suited to the crack. Flexible acrylic for small movement or epoxy for deeper substrate issues because flexibility prevents recracking. Press the filler fully into the gap with a putty knife, then scrape off excess so the repair sits flush. Make sure to follow cure times on the product. Rushing causes shrinkage. Once cured, sand the patch smooth with 180 to 220 grit until it blends with surrounding paint. This creates a seam. You finish by priming the patched area with a bonding, stain-blocking primer so finish paint adheres and looks uniform. Once the primer dries, apply paint in thin, feathered coats extending beyond the repair to blend sheens and color. Allow proper drying between coats. If the crack reappears, pause, check for ongoing substrate movement, moisture, or poor original adhesion because those are the root causes. Address the underlying issue before repeating the repair to ensure a lasting result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.